Till date, we knew that yawning happens only when one is bored or sleepy. But do you know that yawning, यानी कि उबासी लेना, also occurs when one is becoming active? According to experiments with oxygen mask, it seems likely that yawning is a social signal that invites others to join in with whatever we want to do, some activity or going to sleep. Few surprising facts on yawning are that even unborn children yawn in the womb. And people who find it very easy to empathize with others are the most affected with this infectious activity of yawning. So next time, if you yawn back at someone, they are your friends. At least this is what science says. For more such interesting videos, keep imbibing.